If you are selling products on Amazon, or you are running a brand on Amazon doing e-commerce stuff, you know about Helium10. Like, it's one of the most well-known product for the product research, for the market research, keyword research, etc., etc. But when it comes to their pricing plans, their offerings, a lot of people are frustrated because a lot of entry level people cannot afford it. Their free trial doesn't offer a lot of features, and when it comes to their pro plans, starter plans or plan offers almost nothing. Then the platinum plan has some things to offer, and then like you get most of the things with the diamond plan. And in this video I am going to compare Helium10 with one of their competitors, which is Sellersprite. And I'll share the feature comparison, pricing comparison, and dashboard comparison with you. Be with me in this video and I'll share with you each and everything. Talking about dashboard, when it comes to Helium10, here you can see here comes the dashboard of Helium10, which seems to be a lot like crowded and messy, and for beginners it's a lot hard to track the things, to see where what is, and all these sort of things. And obviously most of the features are offered in the pro plan, so with the free plan you don't get a lot. But when it comes to Sellersprite, they have a simple and sleek dashboard. They have tools. They also offer the API as well, and they have some free tools like listing builder, sales estimator, keep alternative, profitability calculator, Google Trends, URL builder. And also they offer something called the browser extension. They offer a lot of keyword research capabilities. Then you can do sales estimates, a lot of things, and also you can get an overview of consumer demand, and you can explore a lot of products using this extension, and you can download it for free for Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Edge. And in their web-based software they have opportunity finders, listing optimization, and keyword sprite. Keyword sprite is basically for keyword mining, traffic comparison, etc., etc. Then opportunity finder is obviously for competitor opportunities, market research, product research, etc., etc. And if you want to optimize the listings, they have all the tools for listing optimization as well. And if you want to download their extension, you can just go to the extension and you can just download their extension by clicking on install. You will get the complete guide, and you can just install the extension, Sellersprite extension, from the Chrome web store. But I think for beginners more important is the pricing of the tool. And here you go, here you can see with the Helium10, here you can see you can sign up for free, but tools, you don't get a lot of tools for free. You have to pay for each tool. And with the starter plan, here you can see everything is limited. With platinum plan, most of the things are limited, and you have to pay extra for the add-ons. Then when it comes to the diamond plan, here you get the big numbers. But all the services, all the opportunities, all the features are restricted. But when it comes to the pricing of Sellersprite, here you can see with the free version, they also have a free version where you have global marketplace access, then keyword mining, keyword research, then keyword checker, unlimited access, keyword competitor lookup, product research, etc., etc. And this is all for free. You don't have to pay anything to get these features. And when it comes to the standard plan, the link is in description. If you want to get it, you will get it at exclusive discount. So I'll make some sort of affiliate commissions from it as well. So you can just go from that link as well, and you can get access to the standard plan. And with standard plan, you would get unlimited access to reverse ASIN keywords, then keyword checker, competitor lookup, product research, market research, browser extension, etc., etc. Then you you can track 100 keywords, 500 keywords, 100 products, and you can track 50 storefronts, and you can also export 50 queries per account. And this one is for monthly. They also have the yearly plans. Standard plan is this one. Then if you want to get advanced plan, which offers a lot of advanced features as well, but you would have to pay per year. And then they also have a VIP plan for big sellers. So if you, whether you are a beginner, whether you are an enterprise, this tool, the pricing of this tool suits you. And here in these slides you can also see a feature comparison of Sellersprite and Helium10. Like they both offer product research, keyword research, listing optimization. Helium10 also offers it, but it's in paid plan, but Sellersprite offers it for free. Then competitor spying, then profits calculation is both free from on both sides. Then keyword tracking is also available on both sides. Then the special features are with Helium10 are hijacker alerts and inventory management, whereas Sellersprite also offers AI review analysis, then ads insight and comprehensive market report. Then talking about key features of Sellersprite, they have market analysis, product research, keyword research, and ads insights. Whereas Helium10 also offers product research, keyword research, listing optimization, and profitability calculator. And when it comes to conclusion, if you are a fan of Helium10, you know how to use Helium10, and pricing is not a matter for you, features are not a matter for you, and like you are like familiar with Helium10, then you can be at Helium10. But if you want to try something new, you want to try some new stats, you want to have good pricing, you want to have some extra features, other like you want to compare the things, because not any tool is accurate. So what you have to do is, whether you are doing SEO, whether you are doing any sort of research, you have to utilize multiple tools so that you can verify the results from multiple tools. And like if you want to do that, then Sellersprite would be a good option for you. You can just test it out with the free version. If it suits you, you can try it, otherwise you can switch to Helium10. And in comments just let me know what tool you are using right now, and how which tool do you think is the best tool. Like there are a lot of other tools in the market, so let me know in the comments. That was all about this video. I'll see you in the next video.